सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Chapter 11, page 73, fourth shloka. Sukha dukhe janma mrityu दैवादेवेति निश्चयम् साध्यादर्शी निरायासः कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते. Ashtavakra explaining that a nishchayi, a jnani, how he looks at himself and situations and the world. What is his mental status or the mindset? The mindset of a jnani he is talking here. Sukha dukkhe janma mrityu Daivadeva iti nishchayi. Nishchayi means a person who is having conviction or firm knowledge about his or her own nature, Atma Tattvam. That nishchayi. Sukha, dukkha. Sukha means pleasure, dukkha means pain. These both pair of opposites, Sukha Dukkha, are bound to come because of Prarabdha. Daivat eva. Daivat means Prarabdhat. Prarabdha means Arabdham Karma. Every being born by taking some amount from Sanchita and born here exhausting that as prarabdha. How it comes? Daivat means prarabdha karma anartham. Why Daivat word here? All devatas show the indicators of this karma phalam. Not only that, Ishvara is the karma phala data. So Daivat means here both the ways you can take. All the planets, they indicate your karma phalam. They are also called Daivams. Rahu, Ketu, Shani, all these planets. They are only the indicators, remember. No Shani is cause for your pain, sorrow. Your prarabdha karma phalam only is the cause. Daiva means Bhagavan you can take because Bhagavan is the karma phala data. Through him only it comes. Who knows this? Jnani knows. For that Shastra often gives one example. When that log of wood moving in the water, floating, it floats. Its movement, its direction, who decides? The wind decides. The log of wood cannot have any control on its own movement. That is controlled only by the wind. Similarly, this body, mind are like a log of wood. Prarabdha karma is the wind. That is why next moment what is going to happen, none of us know. Today class will take place or not, none of us know. This itself shows we have prarabdha to listen Ashtavakra Gita today. 7, 10 up to that time, none of us know that we will hear Ashtavakra Gita today. That means what? Unpredictable. That itself shows prarabdha. Is it not? We have a prarabdha of listening Ashtavakra Gita today, now. How much time we do not know. Until that class over, we do not know. If it over, then only we will know. Unpredictable, uncontrollable, unchangeable. You cannot change also. That's called prarabdha. This is called knowledge. When you have this, you are a nischayi. Then, janma mrityu, birth and death also the same. When we are going to born, when we born also we do not know. Next birth I want to born so and so place, so and so time. We do not know. Even mrityu also we do not know. When it comes, it will never give a letter earlier. No letter, no information, anything. Janma and mrityu also both are daivat. Through that, what we have to know? Therefore, whatever is daivat or prarabdhat comes, sukha or dukkha, janma, mrityu, never resist. Never resist. Pleasure and pain bound to come as long as the body, mind is there. You have no control, you have no power to change. Therefore, accept it. This is the lesson, corollary we have to learn through this. The sentence, what is the lesson we have to learn? Pair of opposites, birth and death, pleasure and pain, success and failure, etc., etc., pair of opposites, accept them as they come. That is the lesson we have to learn. Jnani is one who accepts them, even they come, the pain or any problem, just he undergoes or she undergoes without much disturbance. There is a body pain, mental pain also will be there, but they know they are mithya. Second line, sadhya adarshi. Therefore, there is nothing for him to accomplish. Adarshi means not seeking for sadhyam, any goal. I want to accomplish this, I want to accomplish this. What to accomplish? Anything, whatever I accomplish is temporary, mithya, anityam, unreal. Therefore, if I accomplish also okay, if I don't accomplish also okay, double okay. There is a tremendous relaxation inside. Therefore, in the world, whatever you accomplish, you can never be happy, you can never have satisfaction. Because there is no end for that. Worldly accomplishments, there is no end for that. However much you accomplish, there is a voidness, there is a limitation. You never get tripti. Therefore, this jnani is, however much I get, also tripti continues. What is the use of getting that temporary, anityam, ephemeral accomplishments? If they come, okay. If they won't come, also doesn't matter. That's why sadhya adarshi. He never looked forward for their worldly accomplishments. Any knowledge for any aparavidya, siksha, vyakaranam, niruktam, chandas, jyotisham, even Veda, Purva Bhaga, knowledge never bother. That's why Jnanis need not be a scholar. Puriyarada? Jnani need not be a high scholar or eloquent speaker. Not necessary at all. Therefore, you don't know Sanskrit also, you will get moksha. Puriyarada? Why? You are already muktaha. If you don't know Ramaha, Ramaha, moksha comes, doesn't matter. Okay. For that matter, any science in the world, I need not feel bad because no one can be qualified in any subject totally. What is required, Shastra sees pure mind control, sense control, and humility, daivi sampat. If they are all there, enough. For Shastra to understand, to claim Aham Brahmasmi, that is enough. That's why never work for anatma things. Don't waste your time. Unfortunately, many people waste their time for aparavidya. Because aparavidya is, there is a novelty, there is a beauty, there is a what? There is a lot of attraction in that. Variety, beauty, novelty, but no stability. Swamiji says. That is why Viveki Nischayi is one, never work for unstable things. That's what next sloka is going to say. Nana Ascharyaman Chollaporar. That is why Sadhya Adarshi Nirayasaha Kurvannapina Lipyate. Ayasa Rahitaha. Nirayasaha means Nirgataha Asha Ayasaha Yasmat. From whom the ayasam has gone. Ayasam na theriyarado. In Telugu ayasam na asthma problem. Ayasam na mooch vaangarade kashtapadradhe ayasam. When we do lot of work also, we feel, this is called ayasam, tiredness. This person is nirayasaha. Kashtami, life is relaxed. Life is so relaxed, always smiling, cheerful. Nirayasaha kurvannapina lipyate. In spite of performing his or her own duties, family duties, children duties, grandfather duty, grandmother duty, ellame, mother-in-law duty, father-in-law duty, any duty for that matter, kurvannapi nalipyate, not afflicted by, not disturbed by. Lipyate means not disturbed by. There is no worry or tension about future. There is no guilt about past. That is the meaning. Next shloka we will read. Shloka 5. Chintaya jayate dukkham nanyate heti nischayim taya hina sukhi shantaham sarvatra galita spruhaham. The question arises, how is it possible for a person to be in actions, to be as an active person and not afflicted by them, not disturbed by them? How is it possible? Because the wise person knows all these problems, worry, anxiety, tension comes because of chinta. Chinta means care. Caring too much. Chintaya jayate dukkham. Dukkham, sorrow, jayate, emerges out, comes to a person. Because of what? Chintaya. Chintaya means worry. Chinta means worry. Chintaya means because of worry. Why worry comes? Because of care. I care too much about my son, I care about my daughter, I care about my wife, I care about my children, grandchildren, everything I care. And the too much care enna agum theriyumo, worry maaridum. Chintaya jayate dukkham. And nalla underline panni vechukonga. Romba important. Ipo namakku dukkam varudhu kaaranam enna romba care. Thoongamata. Thinking always about daughter, always thinking about grandson, always thinking about son. You know, one thing or other always occupy our mind. Bug மாதிரி சுத்தின்னு இருக்கும் மனசுக்குள்ள. அதுதான் அந்த சிந்தையா துக்கம் ஜாயத்தை. ஐயோ எப்போ இருப்பானோ என்னமோ, என்ன பண்ண போகிறானோ என்னமோ, ஹவ் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு டூ என்னன்னு. ஏன்னா ரொம்ப கேர். அது கேர் காமிக்கும் போது பீப்புள் சே, இஃப் யூ டோன்ட் ஷோ தட் கேர், தே வில் சே you don't have responsibility at all, you are not caring for it at all. And that's why wife always says to husband, you are not at all taking care of me. Husband also says, கொஞ்சம் காஃபி போட்டு கொடுக்க கூடாதோ, கேரே பண்ணுறதில்லை. ஏதோ ஒன்று சொல்லணும். Person always lean upon others for his or her care. அதுக்கு தான் கேர் யூனிட்னு சொல்லுவோம் ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில். கேர் யூனிட், care unit. So we the human beings always seek some care from either wife or husband or children or neighbors or relatives, and we want always care. Because of that seeking for care, there is a chinta, dukkham. That is called chinta, care, seeking care, dukkham jayate. They are not taking care of me as I want. Adi appuram. First, they have to take care of me. First stage. Second stage, they are not taking care of me as I want. As long as I want. As the way I want. That is second problem. That is the reason. Na anyatha iha iti nischai. There is no other cause. Na anyatha iha. Iha means in this world. In this world. Iha, in this janma, in this world. Na anyatha. There is no other cause for sorrow. Analyze. Analyze. How you analyze? Future you do not know. Past few years back you analyze. What was the cause for our worry? Why we have worried previously? For what? Just because of care. Too much care. Nothing else. This is what the fact Shastra says. Na anyatha. Only chintaya dukkham jayate. There is no other cause. Next line. Taya hinaha sukhi shantaha. That's all. Yat sattve yat sattvam, yadabhave yadabhavaha. The presence of what, that is the cause for that effect. If it is not there, there is no problem. Taya hinaha means what? Chintaya hinaha. Once the person is free from that chinta, worry, care, euphemistic word, சிந்தா கேர்ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அது என்ன வரின்னு சொல்லணும். ஆக்சுவலாக வரின்னு சொன்னால் நன்னா இருக்காது இல்லையா? ஐ வரி அபவுட் யூ. I worry about you, the word is not nice to listen. I care about you. The way they say, I care about you. Shastra says, care is equal to worry. Taya hinaha. Free from that worry, free from that chinta. Sukhi shantaha. Nischai. This person, sukhi nar. Sukham asya asti iti sukhi. Happy. Anandam. Yena aham ananda swarupaha. Sariram manaha. They are not ananda swarupaha. They have problem. Sukhi. Because that sukha swarupam anandam I am, therefore I am shantaha. Tranquil. Calm. ஃபேஸ் எப்போவுமே ட்ராங்குவலாக இருக்கும், ப்ளசண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். ஈவன் செகண்ட் ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம் வந்தால் கூட இம்மீடியட்லி ரிகவர்ஸ். ஃப்ராக்ஷன் ஆஃப் செகண்ட்ஸ். வாட்? ஸோ வாட்? see the face difference. What? So what? வாட்னா துக்கம் ஜாயதே அர்த்தம். ஸோ வாட்? சாந்தஹான்னு. அவ்வளோதான். ஆக்ஷன் பண்ணால் போதும், கரெக்டாக இருக்கும். சாந்தஹா. சர்வத்திர கலிதஸ்பிருஹா. சர்வத்திர மீன்ஸ் வித் ரிகார்ட் டு ஆல் மேட்டர்ஸ். சர்வத்திர any situation, under any condition, in any place, anywhere, at any time, with any relation. Some people are very, very happy with some relations. Some people, wherever they go, they give happiness. Some people, whenever they go, they give happiness. அந்த மாதிரி கதை இல்லை. சர்வத்ரா. Sarvatra means towards all people, all the time, towards all situations. Galita spruhaha. He is rid of desires, worldly desires, care or expectation, name or fame, love, affection, anything. No. Always giver, never want to receive anything. Always top hand, not below. Okay, that is one. He gives love, gives forgiveness, kindness, compassion, everything. What not? Smiling face first. Gives a smiling face. Give time, listen to others. So there is a joy in that. Because there is nothing for him to desire. Galita spruha. Spruha means a desire. Galita means gone, rid of. Because there is nothing for him to accomplish. That is why he is free from desires. Any desire is there not for his sake or her sake to become Purnaha. Even some desire is there for a Jnani only for Loka Sangrahamevapi. For other family members in the family, to others' sake, in the society, for others' sake. Not for anyone. Even taking care of the body also not for his or her own sake, for the sake of society. That is called Galita Spruhaha. Next shloka. 6th shloka. Naham deho na me dehaha bodhohamiti nischayi kaivalyamiva sampraptaham nasmaratya krutam krutam. Kritam. All are very beautiful shlokas, nididhyasana shlokas. We can contemplate on these shlokas. Aham na dehaha iti nischayi. I am not this physical body, sthula shariram. Why it is called dehaha? Dahana yogyaha dehaha. Dahyate iti. That which can be burntable. Therefore it is called dehaha ahamna. Name dehaha. There is no body for me. I am not the body. There is no body for me. Name dehaha. Naham dehaha means ahankara. I am the body, ahankara. Name dehaha, mamakara, towards body. Name dehaha. I have no body also. Then who am I? Bodhaha aham. Aham means I. Bodhaha. Bodhaha means consciousness. Budhu dhatu, jnanam. Atma, chaitanyam. Aham iti. Thus, this Jnani have got conviction, nischayi. Now we have to see, I am a nischayi or anischayi. When I say I am nischayi, vachyartha na lakshyartha. Lakshyartha, higher I. Anischayi, ahankara. Body mind complex level. Okay, nischayi. Then kaivalyamiva. That person is as good as attained Videha Mukti. Actually, he can say Kaivalyam Iha. But Ashtavakra says Kaivalyam Iva. I cannot change Ashtavakra words. Then Iva, Iha irkalam. In this Janma itself, Kaivalya means Kevalasya Bhavaha. I am Atma alone. Kevala Atma, I am Kaivalyam. Kaivalyam Iha in this Janma. But Ashtavakra says Iva anar. Now how to translate that? Kaivalyam Iva means he is as good as not having body. Videha Muktaha. Even though he is in the body, knowing that I am not having body, I am not the body, therefore I am what? Deha Vyatiriktaha Videhaha. Body is neither belong to me, body is not me, then who am I? I am free from body. Videhaha. What is our name now? Sadehaha or Videhaha? Very good. You are all very good students. I am Videhaha. How we are able to say this word Sadehaha Bhutva Videhaha iti vadami? Being an embodied, but I can say I am not embodied. Possible? Possible. To say that I need a body. To say this, I need body. Therefore, thank you. Your body. You have to say thank you. Sadehaha api aham videhaha eva kaivalyam iva. Now tell me, to get Kaivalya Moksha, where to go? Only Guru Shastra, nothing else. Puriyarada? To understand this, only Shastra, Guru, Shrotriya Brahmanishta Guru, Ashtavakra Gita da vali, vere vali kidayadu. Sampraptaha. Sampraptaha means what? I have achieved, accomplished, attained. Nasmarati kritam akritam. He never remembers. Nasmarati means he never remember again and again, memorizing. I have done this, I have not done this, I have done this. Kimahagum sadhuna karavam. Kimahagum papamakaravamiti. Why I have done this, why I have not done that. This and all, no worry at all. Once for all. Kritam, what he has done. Akritam means not done. Nasmarati. Not thinking too much about those things. Too much na koncham think pandlama Swaminina. A koncham thinking only for survival. What to be done, what I have done, what I have I didn't do that, what I have to do now. That is only just vyavaharikam. Lightly he takes care it. Never takes inwards. That is why jolly, jolly, jolly. Jnani is always happy. Engirundalum kuda. Nandati, nandati, nandatyeva. Next shloka. Brahmastambha paryanta ahameveti nischayim Nirvikalpa shuchi shantaha Prapta prapta vinirvritaha Abrahmastambha paryantam ahameva. Abrahmana Brahmaji. Chaturmukha Brahma, Brahmalokam, Brahmaji, who is the creator of this universe. Mr. Saraswati. Mr. Saraswati, Brahma, up to an ardham. Stambha Paryanta means a small insect, Jivarasi, small Jivarasi, any small being. Even you can take blade of grass. Small insect up to that. Paryantam ahameva iti. I am alone is there. In Brahma also, as Atma I am. ஈவன் ஆ பிரம்ம பிபீலிகாஷு பிபீலிகான்னா ஆண்ட், நம்ம வீட்டில் ஆண்ட் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதிலும் நான் தான் இருக்கேன். அகமேவா. தட் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? பிரம்ம நாம ரூபா, திஸ் தம்ப ஸ்மால் இன்செக்ட் nama rupa are karyam mithya. In that ant as chaitanyam brahma I am there. In chaturmukha brahma also as chaitanyam brahma I am there. Ahameva iti. That nama rupa, samashti nama rupa, vyashti nama rupa, all are floating in me. Big waves, small waves are floating in me. Like that, all bodies are floating in me, the Chaitanyam Brahma. When we say in me, which me, ahankara you should not take. Aham you have to take. Kara you have to cut. Karam ne cut pannanam. If you take your karam, apna kannula thanni varum. Karam karama irukum. That's why I don't want to eat karam. Even மிளகா also, பெப்பர் ஆல்சோ காரம் தான். அது சாப்பிட்ட உடனே என்ன வரும் தெரியுமா? இங்கெல்லாம் பெயின் வரும், இங்கே கண்ணில் தண்ணி வரும். உங்களுக்கு வராது, எனக்கு வரும். That's why I don't touch காரம். Therefore easily I can give up அகங்காரம். Joke. சும்மா சொல்கிறேன். I left the car, but students secretly put after serving, காரமாக இருக்கேன்னா, காரமாக இருக்கா சுவாமினி இப்படி கேட்பான். தெரியாத மாதிரி. At the age of 14 I have stopped karam. Therefore I can say easily I am able to give up the ahankaram. ஏன்னா இங்கேயும் தண்ணி வேண்டாம், உள்ளக்குள்ள கூட தண்ணி வேண்டாம், மனசுக்குள்ள அந்த பாதிப்பே வேண்டான்னு சும்மா சொல்கிறேன். நீங்கள் சாப்பிடணுன்னா சாப்பிடுங்க, வேண்டான்னு சொல்லலை. ஏன்னா சுவாமினி ஹவு ஷீ கேன் ஈட் சப்புன்னு சாப்பிடுவான், அதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் போடலாம், நல்லா டேஸ்டியாக இருக்கும். I used to tell students, when you give pure bland diet, you will get gold medal anna. Idha gold medal cooking anna. Edavadhu pepper konjam pottaalum no gold medal. It is not silver medal also. It is only copper, bronze. They are testing me what to do. Na lipyate. Na lipyate. Enna pannuvaana or chembu thanni kudichiduven. I drink whole water. I know how to compensate. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி போடாதுங்க காரம். ஓகே ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் நிர்விகல்பஹா சுச்சிஹி சாந்தஹா. நிர்விகல்பஹனா விகல்பரஹிதஹ. நிர்விகல்பஹா சாந்தஹனா. விகல்பா மீன்ஸ் ஆல் differences. Vikalpas, attributes. Nirvikalpaha means no differences, no triputi ityarthaha. This is not nirvikalpa samadhi born out of yoga. Okay, nirvikalpaka samadhi is temporary. It is not born out of any shastra or guru. Yoga nirvikalpaka samadhi person need not go to guru, need not have shastra, but this person nirvikalpaka samadhi is permanent, nityam. Now also I am nirvikalpaka without any attributes, triputi. So this is not come out of any nirvikalpaka samadhi yoga abhyasa. This is born out of guru shastra, nothing else. Therefore this is not ayaram gayaram nirvikalpaka samadhi. That is why a yogi who practice nirvikalpaka samadhi cannot be a shantaha all the time. It is based on condition. Important point. Nirvikalpaka samadhi, yoga samadhi, there is a shanti but temporary. It is a conditional shantaha. Conditional means what? An avastha. That is why they call nirvikalpaka avastha. But this nirvikalpaka, what Ashtavakra talking is not an avastha. That is why it is not avastha. Puriyada? It is nirvikalpaka. My swarupam itself is nirvikalpam. Shanta swarupam I am. I am nirvikalpaka swarupam when? Ever, forever. Before coming to Vedanta also you are nirvikalpaka only. But you do not know. After coming to Shastra, we come to know, yes, we were Nirvikalpa, Vikalpa Rahitaha, no gradations, no disparities, no differences, no setup, upset, no problem. All the time, Nirvikalpakaham. Therefore, Shantaha, Eppo, all the time. This Shanti will not go. Shantaha. Shuchihi, ever pure. Ever pure, not having any raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsaryadi. All are not there. Therefore, he is pure. I am ever pure. Raga of the mind, dvesha of the mind cannot touch me, the Atma. They cannot touch me, the Atma. Therefore, I am Shuchi, pure existent consciousness principle. When? Now also. Now, here itself. Body is Shuchi? No. Mind? No. Body, however much you give bath every day, 2 times. No, it is not pure. Mind? Not pure totally. But how can I claim I am pure? I am not the body, I am not the mind. I am the witnesser of the impure, pure body once in a while. I am the witnesser of the mind which is tranquil sometime, not tranquil many times. I am the witnesser. Therefore I am Shuchihi, pure. Shantaha, Prapta Aprapti Vinirvritaha. Prapta means accomplished, Aprapti unaccomplished. From this dilemma, from this conflict, I have attained this, I have not attained this. Vinirvritaha means free from this type of thinking. I have attained this, I have accomplished this, I have not accomplished this. Yoga and Kshema problem, acquisition problem. Always worrying, I want to do this. That's why and the nimmadangarade rasoham, that is he is free from even that tinge of that deha vasana, mana vasana and all these objects. Therefore Shantaha, Sthita Prajna Lakshanas you have to read. All those. Sthita Prajna Lakshanas where? Which chapter? Second chapter. We are studying that chapter only. Tuesday. Therefore, prapta aprapti vinirvritaha. Therefore, what? Hapa, relax. Last shloka. Nanascharya-midam vishvam na kinchiditi nischayi nirvasana spurti matraha na kinchidiva shamyati. Idam vishwam nana ascharyam. For this jnani, the whole world which has got beauty, variety, novelty, wonderful, etc., nana vidham ascharyam. It is very nice to see, no? Very nice to see the whole wonder, vibhuti yoga of the Lord. Nana ascharyam nama rupa prapancham idam vishwam, this universe. Nana means which is in manifold ways. Ascharyam means wonderstruck, wonderful. 7 wonders of the world. So many wonders are there in the world. So many species beautifully we can see. Nakinchiditi nischai. All of them are unreal. Nakinchid means what? They are all false, unreal. Tamil, there is a one word. Totram. Totram, they appear, but they are not real. Nakinchid. Nothing is there except me. I, the Atma. Nothing is there. What about all these bodies? All are my glory. Therefore, I am the person, Atma, giving existence to the entire creation. I am the consciousness principle enlivening. Second line you see. Nirvasanaha, vasana rahitaha. ఈవెన్ సబ్ కాన్షియస్ లెవెల్ ఆల్సో. ఇన్ సబ్ కాన్షియస్ మైండ్లో ఎల్లా ఇరుக்கும் వాసనస్. இன்னும் வாசனை போலையே வாசனை போல. ஐ எம் நாட் த வாசனா எட் ஆல். வை டு கோ வாசனை? பீப்புள் ஆர் ஸ்ட்ரகிளிங். சுவாமினி, வி ஆர் லிசனிங், பட் இன்னும் வாசனை. வாசனை பிலாங் டு ஹூம்? மைண்ட். விச் மைண்ட்? சப்கான்ஷியஸ் மைண்ட். ஆர் யூ மைண்ட்? தென் ஹவு கேன் யூ ஹாவ் வாசனா? Vasanakshaya, Vasanakshaya, and there are many books upon that. Puja Swamiji very angry when he listened this Vasana word. Asal mind is mithya. The Vasanas means what? Latent imprints, which are inside subconscious level. All those thoughts, subconscious level thoughts, all are mithya. Mind is mithya, subconscious mind is satyama. Subconscious mind lo vare thoughts mithya. Then why you are bother about vasanas? Nirvasanaha. Vasana rahitaha anna avaniki mookku vela pandadanu kekkadungo. Avaniki smelle theriyadanu avilla. Nirvasanaha anna he is not carried away by the subconscious thoughts also. Therefore is not deha atma. Vasanas are not there. Jagat Satyatva Vasana is also not there. He never have the world is unreal Vasana at subconscious level. Not having Deha Abhimana, Mana Abhimana. Very, very free. Nirvasanaha. Then Spurti Matraha. Pure consciousness. Spurti anna consciousness. Who is that consciousness? I am. How do you know you are consciousness? I am telling, I am conscious of, I am conscious of. Whoever says you are conscious of Ashtavakra Gita class or not? You are conscious of Ashtavakra Gita class or not? When you are conscious of Ashtavakra Gita, you must be consciousness. Who can be conscious of Ashtavakra Gita or anything? Who can be conscious of anything? Only consciousness only can be conscious of anything. Since I am conscious of everything, I must be what? Consciousness. Spurti matraha. Who is not conscious of my class? Tell me here. Any one of you are not conscious of my class? Extra 1/2 hour also you are sitting today. You are much more conscious of Ashtavakra Gita. Spurti matraha is evident. For this, what you have to do, japa? Tell me. What you have to do, meditation? What you have to do, any sadhana? Other than understanding? Spurti matraha. Who? I am. That's what you say. Na kinchidiva shamyati. There is nothing other than this. Other than me, the consciousness. Other than me, the Satchit principle, nothing is there. Shamyati. Iha shamyati. Na kinchidivanna onnume illai. Adu maadri avan paattukku avan ellam irundunde irukum. The world is there, people are there, things are going on, newspaper la so many news are coming. Enna Vishwarupam news. And the Vishwarupamukku indha Vishwarupam theriyala anna. That's the problem. Now what is Vishwarupam? Tell me. What is real Vishwarupam? This is called Vishwarupam. The whole universe is my Rupam. Vishwam eva Rupam. My Rupam is Vishwam eva my Rupam. Whole universe is my Rupam. Is it not? Therefore we need not go to Vishwarupam picture. Okay. Let him come and study Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads and all. That's why I am the Vishwarupam. I am appearing in all forms in the form of universe. Yes? Yes? Then you are in Nischayi. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.